This is how you train them right.
Well, that didn't go plan.
Are you Mommy's big helper?
What the hell?
They might not be in the right slot, but he's putting them all in the drawer for me. I am a big helper, huh?
One hit, and I'm leaving it hang.
Say, I help Mama do the dishes. I help Mama do the laundry. Now when he's a teenager and I'm telling him to empty the dishwasher and he says, I don't want to, I'm going to let him watch this video and say, see how much fun you had? I am such a good helper for Mom. You do such a good job. Is that the last one? That's it. Last one. Now you can close it up. You're all done with the dishes. Oh, except there's a skillet still. We got to put the skillet where it goes, huh? Here, Mommy will take it. Oh, thank you, big helper. You want to close it up for me? Close it up. We're all done. Uh-oh, the basket came loose. We got to fix it. Okay, let's fix it.